Let me have a look. All right, we'll kick in the guts. YouTube as well. What up, YouTube? All right, YouTube, TikTok, we're all firing on all cylinders. Sweet, sweet. What's happening, you guys? Happy Thursday, I think it is. NFP tomorrow. Gold's chilling. Gold's chilling, and some water sounds like, bro. Perry, you're freaking jumping around from TikTok to Yui. TikTube. All right, what's happening, you guys? Good to be here with you. Let's have a look. 11th. Oh shit, the toilet. All right, I'm just making sure everything looks normal. All right, cool. Should we have a bit of a look here on gold? We caught a nice buy here in Asia. I caught a nice sell on one of my accounts over here as well. So I'm up on 4 different accounts. I'm just going to multi-stream 4 accounts. And yeah, I think these levels that I still have marked here are kind of relevant. Breaks above or sells below. I think trading within this range now is kind of like a no-go. No. Yeah, I think trading. God damn it. So annoying. Sorry guys, one sec. See the things I do for you, TikTok? I'm trying to make it a good layout. That's as good as it's going to get. You guys on TikTok, if you want the full screen, come over to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. All right, what's happening, you guys? Let's. If I'm cooked today, I'm fasting food and water for. It's called dry fasting for 3 days. And I'm 27 hours in. Well, I did the first 24 hours of just no food, but I was drinking water, but 4 hours ago I cut water, so I got 2 days of no water and no food from this point onwards, and I'm freaking hungry, man. I'm thirsty, and it's interesting how your body immediately craves it, right? I can tell, like, I just keep wanting to go eat, but I'm like, oh, I can't. Yeah, guys, please caress the like button on the YouTube stream, gang. Get me to 100 likes and I'll do a prop firm account giveaway tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow's NFP as well. Yeah, we're going to do an NFP stream tomorrow, I think. No, I'm going raw. I'm doing it raw. I don't think it's like something I'll do regularly, but why not? Collapse on it. No, I can't collapse, man. I got to stay alive. All right. Anyone got any advice on NASDAQ? Let's have a look. No water, yeah, nothing. NASDAQ looks like shit until here. I'll be interested in a break above there. I wonder if I should utilize this tool here. I can't hear it anyway. If anyone hears a beep, let me know. Can I put a little fucking... Can I put an alert? I don't know. I guess if anyone can remember if price comes to this point on NASDAQ, holler at ya. Boy. You should be sharp as attack now. I feel fine. I just feel hungry and shit. I kind of want to go for a run. I train legs as well. And you know how hungry you get after you train legs. I kind of want the challenge. I'm like, really? You think I'm a bitch? Happy Thursday, Ariel. Good Thursday. 30 hours. Yesterday after your session, your analysis again, I took buy, thanks. Nice. That can't be good. What makes you say that? You do realize it's only recent in human history that we've had the ability to just eat whenever we want. Throughout human history, you've had to catch food, and there've been periods of time where you go on long distances, long periods of time without food. I think there's something to it. Hey, I think there's something to like overeating. I'm like obsessed at the moment with trying to obtain massive clarity from like cutting all the negative shit out of my life, cutting all vices for just living pure, positive, and clarity. Does it mean issues won't arise? No. I've had issues come up in the last couple of days, but I've been able to deal with them and not let them affect my energy. And I think food has something to do with it as well, like overeating. Would you mind going over the Asia trade? Yeah, the Asia trade's a bit of a tricky one to describe. I won't go over the Asia trade. I did a trade breakdown for the guys in the mentorship on it, but I'll show you the trade I took here. It was pretty simple, right? We were coming down, had this level, had this candle here break above it, below it. This is also a 30-minute breakout. This candle retested. I had a sell stop sitting there. It's just a textbook type 1 breakout. Wrote it down. I had my TP all the way down here as well, and it dropped and like it fucked around. Then it impulsively moved really hard and just hit my TP. I'm an island boy. Yeah. Bro, I'm so dehydrated I can't even sing Island Boy properly. 4th day, do a hunting stream under a 200 and you drink water. Yeah. So it's really good, yeah. What about mentorship giveaway? No, definitely. I could never do a mentorship giveaway. One, there's way too much value in it to give away. And two, even if I did, you wouldn't respect it. You need to pay money to respect it. Nice, kiddo. Welcome to the journey of trading, brother. Good job, man. And you said the right thing. You just started learning day trading. That's what it is. Don't worry about actually day trading yet. Just worry about learning. What's happening, Carolina? Good to see you. Bro, I love you, but I never catch a trade with you, brother. You got to hang around for longer than a minute. Yeah, raw dog on the fast. Yep. I used to fast for 72 hours in the last 3 days of every... Yeah, you diet there with no water. Yeah, there's something to it, I can tell. Like I said, I'm just obsessed with trying to obtain like massive clarity. I'm obsessed with just trying to tap into the message. I'm obsessed with trying to become an antenna to the message. And there's definitely something there with food and water, like depriving from that. Thank you, Phil. But I used to do bodybuilding comps and stuff like that, so I'm kind of I wouldn't say I'm used to it, but I understand the psychological component of withholding from food. Big Ari, what up? Brother. Also, you grow close to the word of God, the devil tries to pursue you even more. That's true. Yeah, we'll see if we get a breakout here, Maddie. What class did you compete in? I did men's physique IFBB, and I also did classic physique IFBB. Good man, Paul. Trust me, better to be locked out. What up, S? How can not drinking water be good for anyone? Hey, bro, you're a human being. Like, you'll be fine. You know what I mean? It's like, do you guys realize there's H addicts that lie amongst the streets all over the world that don't eat, don't drink, take a bunch of, you know what? And they live forever. Like, you gotta understand what the human body can really endure. And like I said, throughout human history, there's been massive periods of times where humans' physiology has adapted to the reality that there's been periods where you just wouldn't have food or water. Okay, maybe water's a stretch, but food for sure. But it's fine. Like, you can go days and weeks without shit. How can we subscribe to your mentorship? There's links all in my every piece of my social media and all of my bios and stuff. There's links to everything, brother. Big Cashy, what up, bro? You can't stay for long. Oh, a lot of bodybuilders are getting into trading, are they? I wouldn't call I was way out of the game once I got into trading. Zet, my camera lens is a 15 to 50 mil Sigma lens or something like that. It's definitely a Sigma lens, but I can't remember the mil. With the ZV-E10 camera. We rolling in dubs even if it's a L, my brother. Yeah, I don't really have a bias either, Graph. I kind of got conflicting biases, so I'm not going to get attached to a bias just yet. Pez said, tell Kashi he's unprofitable. He'll show you with a full margin. You said I'm unprofitable? Look at this. Billions and... Valuable lesson today. Don't trade when your mind's on something else. Yep. And that's why I say I don't think you guys, like anyone should really be trading on their phone as well. Your phone's like the thing where you look at with all your degeneracy on your phone. It's like you're associating your phone with just like this quick little fix, this thing that you do repetitively. It's not like when I'm on the screen, like, you know, you guys never see me looking at my phone, right? We're always here just trading. My dedication is here fully. I know on my phone, if I'm trading, all it takes is one swipe of my finger and I can go to Instagram or something like that. Like, it's not it. Have you always traded on your phone before that, Pez? Fast resets and heals like all your stomach as well. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that as well. I don't feel it yet, but I can tell that it would be really good for your stomach. And your stomach's really important. Your guts are really important. Yeah, it just couldn't happen, Surf. It's just not how it would work, bro. Like, we do have lower tier, but for the actual full mentorship, yeah, it's, you know, there's payment plans and stuff. Oh, okay. What's an FVG, bro? Literally the most TikTok to video ever. Passed my 200K today. Nice, bro. Yeah, Graph. Remember a little while ago you were having doubts, right? Maybe it was what needed to happen in order to kind of step back and see what was needed. I mean, let's first 15. Yeah, we'll just be patient over here. NQ got anything? Oh, NQ, no one told me, bro. NQ came and kissed that level. Just a little kiss. Your boy knows his levels. Your boy knows his levels. Did Pez just roast me when you said it out? Yeah. Took a trade in a funded challenge. Maybe Harpreet, one that sounds like a lot. Maybe it's worth, you need to be looking at that, because if the same thing keeps happening, then you need to adjust slightly. This is me given that you're just kind of using a strategy that you've made up, unless, you know, you've bought someone's strategy or in a mentorship or anything like that. You can just ask the people that use a strategy on a high level. Yeah, MGC is futures gold. Yeah. What's it called, Kashi? What's the drink called? Send the recipe in Discord? Yeah, send it in. Yeah, I'm very interested to maybe take things in a little bit more of a different route in terms of gut health after this fast. Yeah, look at this. Keith, saying there's a huge amount of research supporting fasting and things like that. Yeah. Especially, okay, I'm not going to go this far, but do you guys realize there's a bunch of guys online that have cured cancer by doing 30-day fasts of water and food? They literally like shit it out. Like, look into it. I was like, what the fuck? It's like a reset. It resets your body. Your body focuses on, when you've got nothing coming in for the body to focus on and digest and shit out, it starts to go towards these areas of interest, or these areas that, you know, they might have, your body might be having issues. Javia? Okay. This, hey Vin, IB, this is called Bullinox. It's a prop firm. The actual platform here is called Project X. I fast Ramadan every year, 30 days. Nice. Someone told me yesterday, what a coincidence, that there's some, if there's any Muslims here, there was a day yesterday where you're meant to fast for a day. Just one day out of the whole year. And what are the coincidence that I decided to do it yesterday on that day? Yeah, look, today's Arafah. It's today. Like, what are the chances? I knew nothing about that. And then I posted, yeah, I'm fasting for this thing. And these guys that are Muslims and that were saying, yeah, that's a thing today. I was like, wow, what are the chances of that? That is so unreal. Maybe I'm secretly Muslim. I'm a cancer survivor and I did billions of natural things. NED since 7 years. Wait, so you survived, you overthrew it through natural things? So we've got a break here. If we can retest, I might be interested, but we are a bit overextended. We're quite a lot overextended, because overextended in the sense that the next level's right here. You know what I mean? And I would want to take my entry at the break of that wick almost. We'll see. We might be able to get some sort of play here, but it could just, gold could just stick around here for a little bit. Because I don't think the market even knows what it fucking wants to do, if it wants to go up or down. So we'll see. Someone said check NQ. Oh, NQ just popped that level. Very interesting. Yeah, I thought NQ was ready to push up, but I thought it was going to happen in the previous 4-hour candle. I thought it was going to happen in the previous 4-hour candle. Mentor, I just joined your live. Can you go over your setup again, like from the beginning? What setup? I'm just I'm waiting for the market to give us something over here. The next level's here. Yeah, dry fastings. My boss had incurable cancer and he did a 40-day water fast with salts, etc., and killed it off. Bro, you can look it up. There's so many cases of that. It's crazy. Talita, what's happening? Not a lot. Just marking a few key areas of interest. Market hasn't presented anything just yet, but we will try water fasting first. Nah, I'm going all in. I'm going all in, my brother. I'm that type of dude. You're not that guy, pal. What up, bearded soul? People don't realize cancer cells in kids are different from cancer cells in adults. Oh, really? Wow, so you cured cancer as well with changing your natural daily lifestyle. That's unbelievable, man. I think one day we're going to look back and be like, can you believe those fucking humans were so dumb? They didn't realize all they had to do was eat, you know, and stop. I don't know. Sugar is the devil. I agree. Yeah, I'm already super healthy, but I was like, you know what? Let's do 3-day dry fast just to tap in. Tap right in. Cured my cancer from not eating junk food, smoking, tan the sun. Yeah, the sun's important as well, isn't it? Sun exposure, that's something I'm lacking massively. Yeah, John. And I've got NFP tomorrow night as well, so I'm going to be like 2 days deep into a dry fast. And it's a high energy type of stream as NFP as well, so I was like, we'll see. But at the same time, it's all like in your head as well. There's people, there's someone, you know, there's people that got it worse. So yeah, we're in this range here. Break above, I think I would really like a break above. But now that we're creating some sort of clean traffic, maybe a type 2 here, we'll see. Oh, Ellie, wow. Yeah, sun's where it's at. Shem got that barley. Shem got that barley freaking tan. Hunger similar to an addiction. That's exactly the same feeling because I'm not allowed to eat. When I get that urge, I'm like, oh my God, this reminds me of like an addiction, like a different type of addiction that I've had in the past. I'm like that impulse. I'm like, why? I don't need it. Like, I'm fine. If I don't eat right now, I'm totally fine. If I don't eat for the next 3 days, totally fine. Prediction for NFP. I gave that on one of my other streams if you want to go back. I gave the exact PIP prediction. Did you go to the gym on the fast? Yep, I'm going to still be going to the gym. I trained legs today. I'm still going to be going to the gym and doing all the same shit. I haven't even looked into any of this stuff, to be honest with you guys. I just had the urge to do it. I had a call in. I decided to act on it. I just listen to everything my mind tells me now. I don't even question it. I just say I'm being guided. I just think I'm being massively guided with everything I do now. Within reason. How many accounts do you trade? Well, I've got 8. I've got 4 linked at the moment. I have 3 here that 300k accounts here that need $40 on them, which I just haven't been bothered to even touch. And then 1 that's sitting in the back end, just chilling. Dan, where you've taken your bottom line from, mate? I get why you've chosen the top line. Oh yeah, good point. Yeah, the bottom line's invalid, sorry. I'll bring that down to there. Yeah, that's probably confusing. Oh, I opened up the window a bit earlier than usual. That's why it's brighter. Really nice sundown. How do you manage to concurrently trade multiple accounts? I just link them, press buy on one account and it executes them on all of them. Yeah, exactly, Blue. The UVs. Connect, bro. Is that because you did a Kundalini awakening? Oh. Kundalini awakening. Kundalini awakening refers to the awakening of upward momentum of life energy force, often visualized by a coiled serpent that is believed to reside in the base of the spine. Whoa. No, I don't know anything about this. Oh, I know I've seen all this type of shit. I haven't really looked into that. I don't know if I care about that. But yeah, there's probably other things. I was guided to revenge. Billions and... How do you protect your trading accounts from getting scammed? Well, try and scam it. How are you going to scam it? For sure, Carolina. Good man, Graph. Keep it up, brother. Keep it up. Yeah, guys that and girls that like can overcome addictions, to me, are like some of the most impressive people out there. Like people that have genuinely been able to overcome addictions are like superheroes. Trust me, man. And I think most people have overcome addiction in some regard. It doesn't have to be like the mainstream type of addiction. There's all sorts of addictions. There's even like small behavioral addictions that a lot of people have and they know they have to overcome. Just look, John, look into dry fasting. That's what the name is, dry fasting. Daniel mind tell then hey Daniel's mind tell him to now we'll do a giveaway tomorrow. Anyone got a double tap method on the likes over here on YouTube? Drop a like, gang. Thanks for the double tap method. Like good that you got something out of that, bro. So what do we got? This first 30 closing soon. Yeah, I'm up 250 on this other account. Up quite a bit today. I really don't need to trade again. Yeah, we'll see. Bro, where do you finally eat and break a fast? Be surprised how quick you will get full. Yeah, I know. I can't wait, bro. I'm not even going to think about it, but when I eat, man, I'm eating. I'm going to be all over that shit. Just the Jesus video. You spin me right round, Jesus, right around. Oh, maybe I could have that level a bit lower, and I could have. It was only a 15-minute breakout. Was that a 30-minute candle? Yeah, I couldn't have taken that. Damn it. This is what NQ does a lot of the time, though. There's no telegraph, but it did the exact same thing yesterday. Holy fuck, it did the exact same thing yesterday. So check this out. Here's NQ, just been a loser all day, kind of slowly working its way down. And then here, it drops, builds up, and takes off. Exact same thing happened yesterday. Like, I would say it's the same thing, where it kind of builds up, hangs out here, slowly on a downward trajectory, drops, and then takes off. Same thing though, this was the whole day, and then you came into later in the session and did the same thing. Into the London. Anyway, let's not get too conspiratorial. Must have done DMT breathwork, God touch. Nah, I've just come into different realizations in the last 6 to 8 months. I've got like I was actually listening to last night. I've got all these voice notes on my phone of me like just like reflecting, and I was just speaking thoughts, and I was like, I don't know what happened about 7 months ago, but something happened in my mind where I started thinking about things differently. Like, I'll tell you right now, you guys, 33 years of my life, I've just cruised through life. I hadn't really had a philosophy of life. Just did whatever happened, like a plastic bag, running through the wind. And then for whatever reason, like, I don't know, 8 months ago, I decided to start moving through life with a philosophy, an actual philosophy, right? And everything started to change dramatically for the better. Yeah. And it's like, and I really correlate it to trading, because if you go into the market without a philosophy or a strategy or a system in order to become profitable, you're just going to get chewed up. You're just going to get chewed up and spat out, and you're just going to have spend your life in the markets just as an idiot and just end up retired from the game. It's the same as life, I think. You really have to adopt a philosophy of life. And for me, I don't know. I started adopting philosophies for once in my life. Rules to the game, I guess you would say. Yeah, I'm just waiting for price to kind of move to one of these levels at this point, unless it wants to create some sort of structure here that I might be interested in. What made you start trading NQ? Oh, you see a lot of good moves on there. Well, not a lot, but when there's good moves, there's good moves. And I like the volatility. Maturity, Dan? I don't even think it's maturity. I think it's perspective. It's just really understanding that there's more to life than just what you think. And if you don't decide to realize that and actually take that on board and play by the rules that were set, you're just going to move through like a plastic bag. Not having a dig. I'm on a similar path at the moment. Hypnotherapy to break bad habits has been helping me. Yeah, nice. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I'm habitless. I've finally broken all my habits. It took me 34 years, but I've got no vices at the moment. I still have a pull towards certain vices, but none of them have a hold of me anymore, which is crazy for me to say. Yeah, I'll trade New York for NFP tomorrow. What does master mean on Top Step? I don't get it. This isn't Top Step, this is Bullinox. Master just means funded account. Why do you prefer standing up or sitting down? Just because it's good, man. I don't want to be a lazy person just sitting down for hours on end. Nah, I don't day trade Bitcoin. Perspective got updated by God. Exactly, Perry. NQ 15-minute type 1. I already know there's not going to be. It's too overextended now. Fuck. That's just bananas, man. What the flip? That's what NQ does, man. NQ will just hit you with something like this. I'm going to need for structure to form. If I'm interested in NQ, I'm going to need structure to form and maybe take a type 2 here. So I'll be paying attention to this level now. If anyone can remind me. But I'd need to see like 2 red candles printed, not just one. It's too overextended for just relying on one now. Quitting drinking has changed so much for me. Stopped game as a dad and a husband and as a business owner. Fuck yeah, Paul. Awesome, bro. That's what's up. I've lost everything. Brother. I don't know what to say to that, but all I could say is maybe take some time off and come back into the game with a different perspective of treating this like a business. That's why I like the guys that just spam buy or sell in the YouTube chat, in the TikTok chat. I'm like, you guys just have brain damage because like, you're never gonna win in this game like that. You're never gonna win in this game like that. Yeah, I'm 27 hours into the fast, John. I'm 27 hours deep. That's why if you can hear my mouth, it's super embarrassing that it's like, you can tell it's dry. We're going to trade that break. Nah, it didn't really set up. It was too overextended anyway, Ariel. Like, check this out, you guys. I was looking at NQ for a break above that, above this level. And we got a break, a big overextended move, and it broke slightly. Like, that's not enough for me to break, and it has no top wick either. There was never a trade there for me, unfortunately. It's not unfortunate, it's just what it is. Like a plastic bag. If this flips red and closes red, I'll take a sell. Like that, I'll take a sell. We don't understand what we should do. I'll tell you what to do. Dream big daily. Jump on Google, jump on YouTube, and just start from the bottom. What is trading? What is Forex? What is the financial markets? You learn. Start by learning, my brother. Trust me. Hey, if any of you guys want to join the free Discord as well, I'm pinning it in the YouTube chat right now. You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I'm going to pin the link in the chat. We've got a free Discord community over here. We've got a free Discord community over here. I'm going to pin it in the YouTube chat. And you just type into YouTube, Daniel Holmes Trades, and you'll see that I'm live. Right now, live on YouTube. No, George, I didn't even know that Arafa fasting was a thing until you guys were saying it. Who do we call if you faint on live? Yeah, that's a good point. That burrito will disappear in no time. Yeah. People have no patience. I've been learning paper trading for 2 years. Nice. It might be, hey Jen, it might be time to jump into a cheap funded account now. A cheap challenge account. Start to play with those emotions. See how your emotions are on the market. You don't want to stay in demo for too long. But it is good that you're taking it serious. I'm trying to buy a course for trading. How do I distinguish whether they're not or they're legit? Do they trade live? I know it's crazy, Haysha. Are you married? No. Yeah, I've got a headache for sure. I think I've got a headache more just because I haven't had a coffee. Like I drink coffees multiple times a day, but I can't do it now. I've had to cut everything. Okay, if you go to the contracts. Oh, good point. And what does that do now? Yeah, let's see if this can flip. Start from the bottom now. Any tips for new traders? Study, bro. Study. That's my biggest tip. Study, bro. Don't worry about actually trading. Worry about learning. Just learn for now, brother. Do you mind sharing your strategy? Strategies is price action trading, brother. Scammer are using your video and making an account on here saying it's you. What? We must get to the bottom of this. Captain America? Yeah, I know, bro. It's really annoying. But it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. I delete one of them and then 10 spawn. It's just like a fucking virus. Just because I care that I'm nagging. Doing a 3-day dry fast out of the gates is dangerous. Nah, it's pussy shit. Nah, it's all good. I could not survive 1 day without coffee. Yep. Nah, you guys got to stop being pussies about this shit. Like, just do whatever. Like, you're a human. You can literally do anything. You can literally just do anything. It's not even... You can literally just do anything when you really think about it. Can I fly? I don't know. Oh, I see. Nice, Kiwi. Okay. Cheers, bro. When to leave 9-to-5 job? When you have enough proven data that you have the ability to withdraw money out of the markets on a regular basis, and it's probably best to have a bit of cash on the side so you're not stressing. But yeah, the biggest thing is just are you able to pull money out of the markets regularly enough to pay your bills and live the life you want? That's all it is. It's really that simple. How big's your TP usually? Not that big. Depends. Like anywhere from like 15 to 40 pips, really. Depends how volatile the market is at the time. How much is the end of day master account? I'm not sure, bro. I think it's way different without water. Fasting with water, way for safer. Yeah, I don't care about safeness. I'll be right. You guys are like how... I haven't looked into any of this at all. 3 days? What the fuck? Am I gonna die? What? Am I gonna die? It's 7 days. How are these motherfuckers doing this for like 40 days and shit? I gotta look into this more. I'm still doing it, but... Bro, what was meant to be a fucking healthy cleanse, I end up dying? What the hell? No, I'm still doing it. Why are you taking it to extreme? Sunrise. Yeah, maybe I'll keep water in for another day or something. My father did 25 days fast last year. Only water, nothing else. Yeah, maybe I'll stick to water. Maybe I'll keep water in for another day. You'll be fine. I'll have to look into it more because I really don't want to do water. I'm 600 away from blowing. Or you're 1300 away from 1400 away from passing. It's all perspective. GG's, bro's dead. Yeah, fuck. We'll all fast with you. Yeah, come on, no one's here because everyone just fasted with me. You can survive more than 40 days because of my village. Yeah, I'll look into it more. I'm pretty sure you'd be fine without water. Bro, I have a funded account. It's my 4th to get a green. I beg you? You beg me what? Yeah, I'll be fine. Water fast is where it's at. 3 days every month. Aim for 7. Oh, sweet. Yeah, so I'm not going to die. Yeah, water fast I think is an important one as well. Bro's handsome. Pepsi's handsome. P-Dog. P-Diddy. Really, Frank? I might have to look into that. So I'm liking how this is looking. If this can close similar to how it is, I might be interested. No, I already know what NQ is. Let's have a look. See ya. What the hell? What the helly? Nice. Stay there, bucko. Stay there. Don't. What's the quote of the day? Live, love, laugh. On every fucking family, on the back of every family car. Yeah, I know with typical fasting, you can still have water, but there's something called dry fasting where you don't have water. And I'm trying to really go to that next level with this shit. Yeah, I do, Jack. Fuck. But they only messaged me like literally before I jumped on the thing, so I wasn't able to set it up in time. It's gonna have to be tomorrow now. Nah, you're thinking too much into it, John. I'll be fine. Bro, you guys, again, do I have to reiterate? If you walk down the street and there's people addicts that will just lie on the street and they don't drink water, they don't eat food, they take terrible care of their body and they're fine. This looks nice. I just need a top wick now. I really need a top wick and I'm very interested in taking a sell here. Oh, he's got a different account, S. Zest Nation. No, I don't know what hyperbaric therapy is. Actually, I did hear about that, but no, I haven't. I don't know what that is. I hope your mentor doesn't pass away. Fuck. Oh, come on, man. Why you gotta do this? Why are you always lying? Go sleep, bro. Don't stare at the screen. Okay, bro. I'll go to sleep and not sit here and hang out with all my friends and make thousands of dollars because you said so. Nah, addicts don't drink and eat, bro. You don't know addicts. Addicts do not eat and drink, bro. Yeah, it'd be sweet. Water tastes like shit anyway. Probably because you're drinking tap water. I have filtered, alkaline, high pH, pure water. Bruh, this was a beautiful setup. I really like the fact that it could leave here is sad. Damn. It's just like the market's just like, bruh, I can't just hand you this textbook, beautiful setup. Right? It's like, come on, man. I'm fasting over here. You got to hook a brother up. Okay, what came over NQ? Yeah, of course ChatGPT doesn't want you to know that dry fasting is beneficial. All you guys that have opinion on dry fasting, look into it yourself. Don't just like Google random shit. Radu, you're probably on Forex. This is futures. You got the setup but no entry. Yeah, that's it. It happens all the time. John, you're way over exaggerating, bro. It's fine. You're way over exaggerating. I've looked into it enough to to be interested in doing it. Aaron's looking to buy. Nice. Yeah, well, this kind of trade's kind of invalid now. It came down too much. So if it breaks above here, I'm interested in buying as well. Dry fasting is good to cleanse your body. Exactly. End of story. That's all it is. That's all. That sentence I need to pin to my forehead. Bro, you can water fast for over a week and be fine. Don't listen to these guys. Thank you, bro. Thank you. No, I'm not. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so I can't do anything here. I really would like this to maybe be a bit of support now for it to break above this level. Because the reality is, if this was to wick up now and then start to flip red, one, we're going to be running out of time, and two, I'd want to put my stop loss there. That means, my entry there, that means my stop loss has to go all the way up here. Take profit down here. I don't like that anymore. And that's why I always say your entry could present really nicely, but then that's the last thing that you need. And if it doesn't happen, then it's like, don't force anything, bro. There's nothing you can do. Over fasting could be deemed as an addiction though. Really, bro? Really? Really, bro? You think I'm fucking addicted to fasting? Like, you think people are gonna get addicted to fasting unless they like have psychological issues, like psychosis of some sort? Your boy wants a coffee. Can water fast for a couple months, we all know that. Ask the Ouija board, yeah, do it. What up, Spartan? John, you've got a personal beef with fasting, dry fasting. What did dry fasting do to you? Yeah, where's Ben when you need him, hey? Can I get money to start trading? Yeah. Thanks, Graf. Addicted to hunger, yeah. What track? Oh, I don't even know. It was just random shit I picked off YouTube back in the day. Nah, too late. I'm started at level 10. Someone else's level 10 is my level 5. It's really not that deep, you guys. I've done a lot of shit to test my body and life. This is nothing. I've done many bodybuilding competitions where you have to do shit. Not obviously to this extent, but there's huge long periods. Actually, I'm not even going to get into it because people go, but you're doing this and then it's like, Storybridge looking good, looking purple. Purple's the color of silliness. Okay, Keith, nice. So yeah, I think a break above this level would be cool. Nearly had a really nice setup here, but obviously didn't have what we needed. No, that's Brisbane Bridge. Akashi, I'll just say, just Google, bro. Just jump on Google and YouTube and stuff. No, I'm not damaging kidneys. I'm fine. You guys are crazy, bro. Nope, I don't want my coffee. I don't want nothing. I want zero. The whole purpose is zero. Nothing comes into my mouth. It ain't that deep. Yeah, legit. Yeah, I'm gonna do NFP tomorrow. Master of Breakout Strategy. Orokusu. The master. Oh, I could go a pizza. So where's this? Where's the volume gold? Stopped overtrading and see way more profits. That's literally the equation, brother. That is literally the equation. Wow. John's lost the plot. John is just, it's triggered childhood, some sort of childhood trauma. It's not a good time to visit Dubai. Too hot there. It will melt. Yeah, I know. So fucking hot. But I'm pretty used to the heat from Australia. But I know it's hotter there. Volume's waiting for news? Nah, news isn't for another 5 hours. We've got volume still. Explain market structure? It's too broad of a question, brother. How many hours a day do you trade? Not that, like maybe 2 hours or something. I do 2 sessions. We traded New York. I mean Asia this morning. We're on the charts and off in 25 minutes. Oh, can we get to 100 likes here, you guys on YouTube? 100 likes. 100 likes and I will message Ben for signal. Yeah, exactly, Blue. Yeah. I know. Yeah, quick dub out the gates in Asia this morning. Do you work another job? This is your job. This is my job. Boss, can I click it? Can I take a position now? Yep. Bye. Yeah, this is my job. Wow, look at this. I'll give you a like if you denounce God. I can't tell if that's a joke. Make a video how sessions work. There's a video on my TikTok where I actually do talk about that. It's like my third latest video. There you go, Perry. And then what happened? You were healed. If there was a genie in front of you, what 3 wishes would you make? It's too broad. I don't think anyone should. I don't think there's nothing. There's really nothing. There's no wishes. Everything's already pre-planned by a higher power. It's not up to anyone else. Oh, okay. It's a joke. Sweet Hazan. Yeah. Wow, where's this volume? We haven't even had a ton of volume in Asia anyway. I suppose there's been a bit, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's be patient. Hey, mark the swing points, draw the trend line because downtrend. What a crazy 1 hour candle on NQ. Doesn't even have a bottom wick. Casino stream tomorrow? Yeah, we'll do a bit of a casino stream tomorrow, I think. We might get a bit casino-y with it tomorrow. Yeah, would really want gold to kind of break above this level up here. Remove your face and just show the full chart. Remove your face and everything from my fucking TikTok page. Billions and billions. I would do that on NQ, but I would still need another 15-minute candle to print. So I'll come back and see how the next 15 prints. That's all right, that's all right, Matt. I'll get water for the kitten. Cool. So, you know, we've got some 30-minute support here. I'll see if we can. Yeah, gonna need a break. Getting a lot of followers here on TikTok this stream. Pleasure, Martin. What do you think about impulse buy? I don't like it because there's 15-minute resistance right here. You know, maybe if that wasn't the case, and 30-minute resistance here as well. So no, I'll have to do like this. Why are you standing up? Get a chair. Laugh face, laugh face, laugh face. Do you know why I'm standing up? Because you're not. You're very likely sitting down. Not only likely you sitting down now, you're likely sitting down all the time, right? So I'm different. I'm built different. You move into comfort, I look for difficulties, self-inflicted difficulties. You stand as well. Who's gonna make the home and raise the children grow? That is true. Who is gonna do that? Where do you actually take your trades, like MetaTrader? Nah, this platform's called Project X. Fuck, my back sore, man. You're that trading guy. Hey, you're that trading guy. I'll drop the prop firms tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not interested really at all, Rome. It's way overextended now. Your back's sore, but you said you built different. Yep, that's exactly it. Furthermore, my point. My back's sore, but I'm still standing, still showing up, still doing the goddamn thing. What do most people do when their back's sore? Let me take a fucking Nurofen. Right? I raw dog it. How much time do you have to spend analyzing the charts? Not long. Not long. Beat Rice. So back could be from kidneys? Nah, I've had 2 back operations relatively recently. Yeah, I don't even drink water. I'm transcending into a freaking soul. No water, no nothing. The time frame's on the screen, Ariel. Or whoever said that. Yeah, standing's definitely hard. My feet and legs were so sore for like 2.5 weeks. But then they started getting used to it and they start strengthening. And then your core and your glutes, everything starts strengthening. I know exactly what you're talking about, Perry. What's a 4 hour on Forex looking like? Yeah. Light body, yeah. Hey, steady, bro. Yeah, hopefully we can get a pop up here. And close above this volume. Look at this volume. Yeah, I know it's trash. But things can change quick in the blink of a eye socket. Really want something like this. Thoughts on Apex? Well, I can't say anything too much. I'm about to be an endorser. I'm about to be in a dorsal fin for them, so. Now, I had issues with them back in the day. We'll see. They're cheap, put it that way. They're cheap. Humans were not designed for sitting. Not the extent that we sit. This has just become a fucking health podcast. I live in Brisbane, Australia. What happened to yesterday's session? It just cut out? No, I think that was the day before. My computer exploded, but I fixed it. It overheated. Going for longs? I'd like a break above this level. I'd be interested in longs, yes. You know, there was an argument to take impulse longs around here, but I just don't want to. I didn't want to buy through all this 30-minute support here. You're buying like into this 30-minute support range as well. 15 looks kind of, you know, there's no denying that this is like some sort of mid-level. Exactly where we're at. So I think getting out of that and breaking up here is going to be the best bet. We really want to play, like, you want to take the trades that are higher probability. We actually want to make money out of this, so just wait for the higher probabilities, man. I need to force it. Yeah, sitting destroys the core as well. It's a really good point, Toledo. Yeah. And especially if you've got back issues, which I do from them operations, like your core needs to stay strong. No clear setup? Yeah, until we break above here, no. Yep. Or, I could still potentially be interested in a break below here. I might keep my levels here. Because if a candle were to come down and break below here, I'd be happy to sell down here. I like you, bro. I like you too. I haven't seen you in the Discord that much, Tradeaholics. Hey, you guys on TikTok? I'm live on YouTube right now, and in the chat, in the live chat, linked is a free link to the Discord community. It's pinned in the chat. If you want to join the Dissy. Do you like Kylie Minogue? Let's imagine you're maybe a 28-year-old person, and maybe you were born somewhere, maybe you were born in Russia, or your name's kind of weird. So 28 years ago, you went through all of your life, and then on this day, at this time, for whatever reason, you were on TikTok, you seen a guy, and you said, I wonder if this guy's into Kylie Minogue. It's kind of crazy how the world works, right? I'll tell you what I am into. Kylie Minogue. Kylie Minogue in this film clip. I remember watching this when I was like hella young. I was like, holy shit. I remember being like, holy shit, she is hot. That is the most attractive person I've ever seen. I wonder if I would still think that. Yeah, she still looks hot. She still looks good. So that's what I'm talking about. She's mid, bro. How? How is that even a thing that you could say? Am I delusional? Is this like some sort of nostalgia thing? Chat, is she fucking... I just need to see. I need evidence. Was I delusional? Oh, this song's kind of catchy as well. God damn it. The most zesty song as well, but you know. I'm spinning around. I'm actually spinning around, man. I'm not gonna lie. Your live contains themes that may find uncomfortable. Oh, god damn it. I'm being restricted. See, even TikTok thinks she's too hot. Wow. Even TikTok thinks she's too hot, so I just got banned. I just got... TikTok saying this thing... I bet TikTok's talking about, because we were talking about the fasting and stuff like that. It's like, you can't talk about shit on there. Dehydration's making me zest. Oh, fuck me. Kylie's got me spinning around, man. Yeah, that just brought back all my childhood freaking love fest. Yeah, it's way too restricted, man. You can't like talk about shit on TikTok. It's really bad, hey. Now my numbers there will go down. I'm going to cut it because they might ban me. Hey, you guys, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you want to come over to YouTube, Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades, and we'll continue the stream there and catch a trade. Come over to YouTube now, Daniel Holmes Trades. Same name as TikTok. Buckos. Ah, my screen's so much less cluttered now. I'm spinning around. Yeah, see how this trade was about, yeah, I knew it was not a good idea. Yeah, TikTok's so lame. Like, YouTube, you can say literally anything. I mean, this volume is dog shit. Carly's gorgeous. Oh, I only have 2 screens. I used to have 3. You get banned for talking about fasting, but you won't be about Burger King, KFC. Bro, incredible. That's so fucking true. How annoying. You could sit there and talk about how it's so fun to be freaking Burger King specialist, but you talk about the health benefits of fasting. We must destroy. I mean, if anyone can freaking get anything out of this, take my money. The Discord thinks it says spied, bro. No, you probably have to copy the link and paste it into your browser if it doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, even when doing that, let me know. I'll give you a new link. Here from TikTok. Nice. Good to have you guys here from TikTok. Make sure you drop a sub, you guys. Drop a subscribe for the channel. I'm live here on YouTube every day. Every day. Good to have you guys here from Tik. So if I'm not on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube every day, no matter what. Wow, I just got a message from TikTok saying looking at your live is very bad for my health. Wow. Let's talk about fucking Burger King and they'll say joining this live is very good for your health. Get sick. Yes, eat more. Good boy. Eat it up. Crazy. All right, I'm putting on my trade hoodie. This means we're getting a trade. Fuck, I need a haircut. Yeah, no, that's not a valid breakout. Yeah, it's too weak in the body. Like, that's kind of almost unusual the way it's broke out like that. It says invalid or expired. Here's a new link, you guys, for the free Discord. No volume. Yeah, I'm happy to wait a little bit longer. We might get some volume kick in. But yeah, there's no denying there's a lack of right now. Thank you. Thank you. But sometimes I call out a lot of moves but not execute, then it just goes straight to where I thought it would. Yeah, that's going to happen all the time. Like, you're going to do that all the time. And it can kind of be in a bit of illusion. It can be also a bit of a trap because you think that's really not what trading is. Like, unfortunately, it's not. You know, trading's like this whole collection of these different acts that you have to do on a daily basis in order to consistently make money. don't let that kind of fuck with your head. But oh man, I can almost predict where the move's gonna go, and then it does it. Why aren't I profitable? It's like, nah, that's kind of something that can just be done. Like, YouTube's where the real supporters are. Yes, YouTube's where the OGs are. Works now? Okay, awesome. Daniel looks like Zesty Michael Schumacher. We've got 10 minutes for this 30-minute closure. We'll see if it wants to push up over here. Oh man, a freaking coffee and a feed would go really good. See if we can get that break above. Four hour on Forex closes in 39 minutes. Why can't you drink coffee? Oh, I'm fasting at the moment. I don't want to get into it again. I don't want to get into it. But yeah, NFP tomorrow. Unemployment claims tonight. Look at Discord. I did you a major favor. No! No! Is this a real one? Yup, it is. He would like to be a good boy for you. That's so fucking funny. That's so fucking funny. No, I won't be able to help it, John. I'm going straight in. Raw. Yeah, we're getting volume's being a bit of a bully right now. Do you need someone for your YouTube thumbnails? Maybe, but most people, they're not good at it. Send me a message on Instagram or something, Steam plug. And have a look at your stuff. Do you have any dates for your Dubai move? I'm just waiting to get my licenses and stuff back, which shouldn't be any more than 7 days. And I've had to make an international payment, so they haven't. I have to wait till they receive that as well. I don't know how long that's going to take. But yeah, man, I could be there within the next couple of weeks, honestly. No, NQ's got nothing. If we all do that, she'll reach out. Oh, that's so bad. Nah, I wouldn't even be thinking about Head and Shoulders of Kim. All right, Steam. Oh, Big Matt, what up? I'm gonna get someone to take over the lease. Yeah. This will get snapped up in like a minute. I'm gonna give it 1 or 2 more candles max, and then call it if nothing's happening. Because right now there's absolute nothing happening. There's no volume whatsoever. time spinning around. God damn it. Kylie Minogue, why'd you gotta do this? Can we like, this is crazy. I'm in Brisbane, Matt. No, I'm not mad. She won't answer. She's got 500,000 followers. Probably got people like that are in her DMs for her. Are you intentionally leaving before June 30? Nah, just kind of leaving before I change my mind more than anything. Yeah. Kylie's in your head now, literally. I will make it in trade and I'll move to Dubai or Salah. Do it, brother. Do it. We can all connect in Dubai. My belly's going crazy. Yeah, it'll work out. And even if, because that's the thing, I told some like my auntie and that, and she's like, oh, what if it doesn't work out in Dubai? What if it does? Could be in the next couple of weeks, Luke. Nice loan. The incentive is zero tax in Dubai. It will work out in Dubai. I trust your word, Talida. No, I haven't found an apartment. Like you could, there's so many apartments. I'll just pick one, whatever. Yeah. I'm not going to line anything up before I go. Like I kind of will. I'll have an idea of a few, but I've got a team of guys that are going to take me around as well and have a look at some. No more pork. Yeah, I'm not even a big fan of pork, actually. It will work out. Yes, 100%. Price comparison, pretty similar. It's like renting in Sydney. Worst case, you move back, exactly. Which it won't happen. It won't happen. I just know it won't. I just know it's written in the stars. Come on, Gold. Get us out of this range, brother. Get us out of this range, Goldilocks. You can do it. Oh, that'd be sick, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, Matt, Mr. Wick, I think your brother's on board now with the team over there, which is cool. I mean, we can look at this, but I think to the left there's a resistance right here, yeah. There's a probability we're going to push up there. Maybe. NQ holds above this level, maybe. It's risky, but I'm a risky cat. We'll see. PS don't buy a Lambo? What's wrong with Lambos? But thank you, Andaji and Danji. Will you still trade Asia? I'm not sure. I haven't even looked at the time of things. Yeah, the daily could flip if it pushes up. You can catch... Yeah, I thought it was London and New York. Maybe I'll have to start trading New York. I don't know. Yeah, that's interesting. We'll see. A lot of green. 4:30 a.m. Asia, Dubai time. Okay. I could still maybe even do that. Yeah, true, Pez. Yeah. We'll see if this can create a bottom wick on NQ. Please do NU with Pez. That'd be sick. Yeah, that could be cool. I mean, gold's just completely died in the ass. I don't know. Let's keep an eye on NQ. See if it wants to create a bottom wick. I'm only interested in NQ at this point now, which I'm not even that interested in. But I'll see if it can create a bottom wick here and maybe take an impulse buy. If not, just call it. Maybe watch gold a little bit off stream, but there's nothing there. Sounds like a pretty good life, Paul. 200 likes today, guys. Dan needs to buy food. Let's go. Yeah. Can we get to 200? Oh my God. If everyone clicks like right now, I could literally feed my family. For once. Yeah, I want to see a bottom wick here. Go have a glass of water. Bit of a riskier play. We're pretty overextended, but not too mad at it. Yeah, Puerto Rico is nice as well. Low tax. Yeah, I'm happy to finish BE here on a couple of these accounts. I'm mentally prepared and happy to finish BE here. You gotta think like the probability of price wanting to come up here, considering there's so many stop losses right here. There you go. Fucking hell, I got slipped pretty hard. Only 30 more likes. Come on. Wow, I got slipped hardcore. No, there's no spread on futures though. It's like slippage. If that volume kicks in at the last minute, you can get slipped. You get a bad fill. It's a risky entry. Yeah, it's definitely a risky entry. Just kind of relying on some more momentum to kind of fill some of this range a little bit more. God, my shit's glitching. I can't even go back to my fucking screen. Bro, I can't go back to my fucking screen. Oh, there we go. It's like, what the hell? I'd like to go to BE as quick as I could, to be honest. If I get there. I could just pop past this point here, I'll go BE. I'll pop past this week, I'll go BE. If we can get that. I know a lot of people want to sell here, which is kind of giving me a bit more confidence in a buy. But we'll see. Did you get the top and bottom wick from Aaron? Bro, no one got anything from anyone. These are just... It's just the rules of the game. Yeah, we'll see if it wants to go. I don't know if it will. Gold's got nothing for us. Manifest. Who is your monitor? Mentor? Originally Raja. Raja. Yeah, if it starts flipping red, I might manage it. Big dog. What are you doing? Wait, I'll give you a call back. Zero. I'll give you a call back. I just blew my account. You take the trade in FOMO? No, I just had a level here pushing out. Like, it was a risky one. To expect more volume to kind of carry it. So you're obviously asking a lot. But I thought we might have enough there to kind of push it up a little bit to carry it through. My freaking liquidity provider just called me. So I'm closing your account down. Yeah, I thought we might have enough to just pop, but obviously not. Thought we might have enough to pop, but obviously not. I did say entering that this is a pretty risky trade. Gold, you got anything? I might still look off stream, see if gold can break above this level. But other than that, there's not much else going on. There is not much more going on. So, all right, you guys, I'm probably just going to call it there. I'll watch a little bit off stream for gold, NQs, just whatever. And yeah, let's watch off stream and see if gold can break above this level. All right. Might as well journal this NQ one as well. Got to take L sometimes. I knew it was a risky trade, but I thought I might give it a crack. But appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you tomorrow for NFP stream. I'll be starting the stream a bit later because I'll do the New York stream, a later one, and mentorship cats. I'll see you for Asia stream, but I'll talk to you in the Discord. Peace out, gang. Peace.